guys, good evening, welcome back to our channel. So it is Friday night and Daddy and I work from home all week this week. And yeah, katatapos lang namin mag-work guys, and now we decided, kasi nga diba, nakulong lang kami sa bahay, so we decided na lumabas konti, magdadrive kami guys, kasi naisipan namin na bumili ng something to eat for dinner. Kasi ewan ko, ayaw muna namin magluto. And again, I think like Paris is very bored na guys. Tignan nyo siya guys. Oh, tignan yung mga laruan niya guys. Come on na, we'll wear the shoes na. Bored na talaga siya guys. So, napag-isipan namin ni Mike na magdadrive na lang kami papunta ng Red Rooster. So, sa Red Rooster pala, ano lang sila, dine-in is not allowed. So, take away lang siya. So, yeah, it's only like, seriously guys, 7 minutes away from us. But, again, just for the feeling na nakalabas ka ng bahay, yun yung gagawin namin, guys. Come on na, honey! Anak! Come here! So, ayan pa yung setup ni Mike, guys. So, yung sa akin, he already put mine away. Kasi, tapos na ako. So, kaya ngayon, ano na ba? Mga 6 o'clock na yata ngayon. Sobrang nakaka-down kasi guys, no? Yung ano ba, yung parang nakulong ka lang sa bahay. Kaya ngayon, ayan. Sapatos ng si Paris. Tapos, bibili lang pala ng chips. Magsusuot sana si Mike ng magandang damit, guys. Kasi, akala niya saan kami pupunta. Nakalimutan niya na lockdown, na ano pala. Quarantine pala. Kaya hindi kami makakapunta sa mga shopping center na mga ganyan. Kasi naka-close naman talaga sila. So, yung sinuot niya, ano lang, yung pambahay lang. Tingnan yung sa akin, no, pambahay lang din. Tapos, sabi ko sa kanya, para feel ko naman na nakaalis ako, nag-spray ako ng, ang tawag dito ng Chanel na perfume ko. I thought you don't want to wear your shoes. Come on, let's go. Ayan guys, palabas na kami. Careful anak. Medyo makulimlim siya today guys. Alam, uulan yata. Careful na. Come here. Ayan si Paris, oh. Very excited na yan siya kasi matagal na yun siyang hindi nakasakay ng sasakyan. Careful! Dinosaur. Huh? Dinosaur. Come on. Sit down so we can go. Yeah. So, andito na kami, guys. Ayan, Red Rooster. Tapos si Daddy lang yung lumabas. Kasi I don't think we're allowed anyways. Ayan. So, ayan si Paris sa likod. Say hi, honey. Say hi. So, dito lang tayo sa loob, guys. And, nagpa-order lang ako kay Mike ng, ride ba tayo? Ayan. So, nagpa-order lang ako kay Mike ng cheeseburger, tapos chips, and maybe nuggets for Paris. But yeah, we're just feeling so lazy tonight, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman, like we've been working really hard the whole week. Yung parang, kahit working from home, guys, very stressful pa rin, guys. And even though you don't have to wake up that early, and you don't have to drive to the office, still very stressful. So busy pa rin sa work. Tapos ngayon, one thing that I noticed ko on the road, guys, is the traffic is so quiet. Obviously naman ha, tingnan nyo. Kasi, diba, Friday night ngayon. So, normally, pag Friday night, diba, pupunta yung mga tao maglabas. Ngayon, wala. Tingnan nyo, kukunti lang yung sasakyan talaga. Nakakabuang din pala, guys, no? Pag naiba yung routine mo. Kasi nga, I have been working from home straight na ngayon. 3 weeks. 3 weeks I've been working from home. It's crazy. Yung parang naiba na yung ano mo ba, yung naiba na yung routine mo. So, it's been 3 weeks na rin na hindi ko nakita yung mga colleagues ko. Tapos kanina, luckily, thanks to internet, diba? Nag-ano kami yung Zoom meeting. So, everyone was on that Zoom meeting and we were able to see each other. Para paring nasa office kami. So, we still, you know, the relationship is still there. So, it was good. What's wrong?
Mommy, you.
Huh? What happened? Mama fixed? Ting, ting. Kabit-bit na siya ng rasyon. Did you get me cheeseburger, Bob?
Huh?
Cheeseburger?
Yes, I did, Bob.
Thank you.
Thank you,
This
Dina.
one's Paris. Thank you, Daddy.
For what?
For buying.
And?
Honey! Chips! There you go. Picnic na lang tayo dito sa loob ng sasakyan.
Hot. Very hot.
Like me?
It'll burn. It'll burn.
No, it's not. The one I gave to Paris. Okay.
The inside of hot.
What drinks did you get?
Full strength Coke.
Well, it's just vanilla. Bayot. Coke. So join us, guys. Picnic in the car. Dito na lang natin kainin, oy. Hindi na to siya hot pag nakauwi na. So, ito yung chicken nuggets. That's for Paris. And dalawa yung binili ni Mike na chips. Ito yung sa akin. Cheeseburger. I miss cheeseburger. I haven't had one for a while. What are you having? Oh, what's this? A wrap. Ayan. Anyways, bon appetit! Excuse me. You can't do that in front of my vlog, Daddy.
Yes, I can.
So, alam niyo guys, one thing na na-notice ko rin, kasi nung na ako dito, malapit din yung petrol station. Very cheap na yung tawag dito? Very cheap yung gasolina. I saw one. $1.12 per liter. Normally, before to nangyari itong yung quarantine, it was around $1.50 per liter. So, bumaba talaga siya. Yes, honey? More. Ayan na, may na ng chips. I'll make sure na hindi siya hot na. Thank you. Ayan, favorite niya yung chips. What are you having? He can't talk, guys.
Ripper roll.
Ripper? Yung cheeseburger ko, guys, malapit na siyang maubos. Ba, hindi ko siya masyadong type. hapit na mahurot. Ay, paniingon, hindi masyadong type. I still prefer McDonald's. No offense, Red Rooster. No offense, Red Rooster, but I still want McDonald's. I think it's just because I'm in love with the beef compared to the chicken. That's why. Daddy, wipe your mouth. Yeah, just wipe.
I look like me. Stop it.
Wipe your mouth, Ma.
Oh, bro, Bobby, give me a. You ran out of just on my phone just then.
Mommy.
Yes? Huh? Water. You didn't bring water.
Okay.
Water na, hang on na. Can we get one from the shop?
Hmm?
Can we get one from there? Ayan, may nagdidemanda ng water. Daddy!
Daddy.
Come.
Hang on, Nak. Daddy will go get water. Daddy will go get your water. So, ayun guys. Lumabas lang si Mike. Bumili ng water kasi yung prinsesa niya naghanap ng water. Pero, kasi nga diba, 7 minutes away lang kami from, sa bahay namin. Kaya hindi kami nagdala ng mga, ni Paris water, mga ganon-ganon. Tapos ngayon, kumakain kami. Ayan, naghahanap ng water. Yes, honey? Coke. There's no Coke, Baba. Daddy's getting water for you. Do you want some chips?
No.
No. Okay.
Let's
It's very cute, guys, kasi si Paris nag-start na siyang magsalita ba. So ngayon, naghihingi siya sa akin. Binibigyan ko siya ng chicken nuggets. Ayun niya, guys, sabi niya sa akin, Mommy, chip. Very cute. Nam 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 nam. Nam 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 nam. Ayan, ano na bang oras ngayon eh? Nakabalik na yung tatay niya oh. Say hi. Ayaw niya magpa-vlog guys kasi nga 'di ba? Since this morning hindi nga kami nag-ready. Kasi working from home lang. Tapos pagising, ayun, nasa computer na yung mukha. Wow. Say thank you, Daddy. So it's good na ang tawag dito, nakalabas kami kahit ganito lang guys kasi si Paris nabuboard na talaga siya sa bahay. Alam niyo guys, yung childcare open pa naman. Hindi sila nag-close. Pero ayaw ko lang talagang ipadala si Paris sa childcare. Nasa bahay naman kami. Yun nga, medyo nahihirapan si Mike mag-adjust ba na working from home na may bulilit, maliit. Kasi every time na like he's making phone calls, so ganun. Si Paris always tinatawag niya palagi yung daddy niya. Kaya minsan na si Mike, sinasabi na lang ni Mike sa mga kausap niya sa phone na working from home, ganyan. Yum.
Nam, chicken.
So, ayun lang yun guys. Nakapasok na naman si Mike dito. Some water already? Just go ahead.
Wanna go hang out somewhere?
I wish we could go out, right? Like, I wish we could go to the shopping center like we normally do. I do it every Friday. Pupunta ako sa shopping center kahit window shopping. I don't need to buy anything. I just want to be out there, see people, see the bags and clothes and shoes.
Yeah, I missed going shopping.
Shopping!
Window shopping.
Mike always tease me pag nagba-vlog ako ng Tagalog kasi yung naiiba yung
accent.
Naiiba yung accent ko pag nagtatagalog na ako, very Filipino. Tapos kasi pag nag-English ako, hindi niya masyadong napapansin yung Tagalog at Filipino accent ko.
Because you change like the wind.
I don't.
1 minute you're talking Australian and the next minute you're like, hey guys.
I don't mean it. Like I have to speak like that.
It's Jubilin here. It's Jubilin here.
It's not Jubilin, Bob. It's Jovey. I always say Jovey.
Jovey.
Now you know my full name.
Jovey.
Michael. Actually, Mike is really good with Filipino accent because he had Filipino girlfriends before.
I didn't know.
What? And you guys, deny pa niya guys, so did not know. La, but your ex will watch this and say like, are you denying me?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, guys, so Mike went to the Philippines even before he met me. That's why like he's very good with the Filipino accent.
You're my
Even though
You're my first, my last, and my only.
yes, my love. So that's why like everywhere we go, we go to shops or
Lucibel.
just everywhere, Mike will know if that someone is Filipino or not.
Yeah, but I also know like if they're Vietnamese, Thai, Cambodian, Chinese.
Yeah, he's really good at that. How do you call that? Special power?
No,
Bob, don't open that yet, Bob.
I'm just cultured.
But yeah, Mike is really good. I can't speak Filipino, Tagalog language.
Mommy!
Maglalaro ako ng basketball.
Out!
Yeah, that's the only sentence he know. Maglalaro ako ng basketball because that's what I taught him. But yeah.
Mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita.
Babe, ako siya kami.
Maganda.
Nagara na siya. But, what's wrong, anak? So I've been trying to teach him Bisaya, but he finds it really hard. So that's why. No, he just can't say anything Bisaya.